Doug make my meal just how I like it, quick and easy. I'm like, Doug.
Welcome to the Quick and Easy Meals channel. I'm Doug, and we hope to share quick and easy meals that are healthy and inexpensive that will help make life easier for you.
Quick and easy meals. Take out the stress and learn to make easy, delicious, healthy meals within minutes. Quick and easy meals. How do you like your meals? Quick and easy.
Today, we are going to make a summertime soup called Cheeseburger soup. To get started with our cheeseburger soup, the first thing we're going to do is cook the bacon. So we'll get our shears and we'll cut the bacon into bits. The first step is we will cut the bacon using our kitchen shears into small bits. How much bacon you use is up to you. Now, when your bacon is done, we'll remove it from the heat and put it to the side in a dish and drain the grease. Next, we'll cook the hamburger. You probably can get away with about half of the hamburger, half a pound of hamburger. Now that the hamburger is done, we will melt the cheese and start our soup base. We'll add half a cup of Mexican cheese. Until the cheese melts, we'll add a half a cup of diced, fire roasted, diced tomatoes. Fire roasted, it doesn't have to be fire roasted, but fire roasted diced tomatoes. Next, we will add some hamburger to this mix. And I will probably add some more cheese. Let that all melt up and we're almost done. Add more cheese if you really like cheese. Once the cheese is melted, we'll add bacon on top and maybe a little spring mix, and we're ready to eat. Now you're ready to serve. Now you add your soup to your bowl and your bacon bits, and then you have your bacon cheeseburger soup. Very good looking, very good smelling. Add your bacon in there as much as you want. Can't go wrong with bacon. And there you go.
Doug make my meal just how I like it, quick and easy. I'm like, Doug, make my meal quick and easy.
Thank you for watching the Quick and Easy Meals channel.
Quick and easy meals. Take out the stress and learn to make easy, delicious, healthy meals within minutes. Quick and easy meals. How do you like your meals? Quick and easy.